How's it going, guys? Welcome back. So last few videos we got the login form working, so now both our register and the login form are all good. What we're going to do now though is style this, because this really doesn't look very nice at the moment, so we're going to work on that in this video. It might take a few videos, it might do over 2 or 3, I don't know. We'll see how long it takes. So what we're going to do first is head back to our demo folder, okay, and we're going to create a folder inside of assets, right there. Create a new folder. I'm going to call it CSS. Now CSS is how websites are styled. It stands for Cascading Style Sheet, and basically we're going to make a file in here. Let's make it now. So make a new file, and we're going to save this inside of that new CSS folder we just created. So demo, assets, CSS. Okay, and we're going to save this as, usually it would be called style.css, but we're going to make one styling sheet for the register page and another one that's going to be used for the rest of the website. So for this one, we're going to call it register underscore style.css. Okay, save that. And now in here, I'm not going to be able to explain every single line that I write in here because that would just take too long. So if you don't understand something, you can just give it a quick Google search and you'll find what you're looking for. But most of the stuff should be pretty self-explanatory, so just follow along. I think you'll understand just by watching me do this. So we've got this style sheet now. First we need to link it to our website, okay? So what we do, go back to register.php, and then in the underneath title, in the head tags, we're going to say link, press tab, okay? And then it will auto-filter this, okay? This is a CSS link. So inside the href, we're going to give it the path to that new CSS file we just created. So that was in, what was it? Assets, CSS, register underscore style.css. Okay. So we can easily see if that worked. We'll just write a few lines right here. Form, okay. And then we'll write text, align, center. And you have to spell this the American way if you're not used to that. So save that. Now if we go back to our page, okay, look how it is before, and if it's worked, it should be in the center, okay? So you sort of hopefully get an idea of what this styling thing does. This is saying anything with the form tag, align the text in the center. So if you go back, the form tag's right here, and we have another one, oh yeah, right there. So you have a form tag and a form tag, okay? One for login, one for the register forms. And this is saying anything with that tag, style it all in the center.